And we're back. What's up, guys? We're back with another Turmoil video. Continue. Yeah. So, we just turn it down there. I want to get a piece of land first, yes. Land auction. Let's all. Huh. Where did you die? No, I want to go there. I want to go there. Can I, please? Thank you. Like, this place literally looks amazing. It's been between a 42 or 38. Like, oh my god. D. Okay. And W. Ring. There probably. Oh my. I don't even know if I'll have enough to get there. Please? No! Okay, I had to borrow 500. Thank you. Because this Plick. This P-L-I-C-K. I bet you this is going to be too far. Oh, perfect. Okay, please. That is okay. Okay. Hey. I'm blue, dabba dee dabba die. Of course I went past it, cry, dabba dee da. Have a little blue, and now I have a color. I thought that I would know. Now the streets are blue. I have a girlfriend, and she is so blue. Oh, get up! Okay. No, please get this. Oh my, why do I have to have so much horses? I don't even want to get that. Score! Okay, 12 horses should be enough. That was my chair. Which one am I going to have to switch to? I am fuming. Am I gonna get it in time? No. Yes, I am. Okay. Now everyone comes. Ting ting. FBI, open up! I've got 7 grand. So you eat all your vegetables, you get as much money as me. Dang. Hey. That's pretty good. I'm getting a lot of money here. I'll be flossing. 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 So if you guys wanna join, if you guys wanna play Fortnite with me, my username is DARN DARNEDJOKER269. Cause I don't have any friends to play Fortnite with. I'm joking. I have enough. I have too much. Okay. Okay, brother, I think that's all the oil. This guy just needs to look, cause I get $1,000 no matter what, how early it is. This guy be flossing. He be flossing. Left, right, left, right, left, right. What? Bless me. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed.